What if I told you that a government once sent soldiers with machine guns to fight birds? This actually happened in Australia in 1932. Thousands of emus were invading farmlands, destroying crops and causing major damage. Farmers asked the government for help. So the Australian military stepped in. The plan seemed simple. Use machine guns to reduce the emu population. But things didn't go as expected. The emus moved quickly, spread out into smaller groups, and were surprisingly difficult to target. After several weeks, the operation failed to achieve its main goal. The military withdrew, while many emus remained on the farmlands. Today, the event is remembered as the Great Emu War. And because the operation was unsuccessful, many people jokingly say, the emus won.